I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You stop safely, now act. Put hazards on, set the parking brake, and place a wheel chock behind the opposite wheel so the car cannot roll. Retrieve your emergency flat tire kit, sealant, compressor, plug tools, jack and lug wrench, and remove the hubcap if present. Next, break the lug nuts loose about 1/4 of a turn while the car is still on the ground. This prevents the wheel from spinning when you lift it. Once done, position the jack under the correct pinch point. With the jack properly seated, raise the car until the flat tire clears the ground. Make sure the vehicle is stable and the jack sits squarely. Remove the lug nuts, take off the wheel, and inspect the puncture. Small punctures versus sidewall tears change your approach. For a puncture in the tread, use the plug tool or apply the manufacturer's sealant into the hole as directed. Then reinstall the tire temporarily, hand thread the lug nuts, and use the compressor to inflate to the recommended pressure, printed on the door placard. Lower the vehicle slowly until the tire just contacts the ground, then tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to the torque specified by your vehicle. In other words, use the correct Nm or foot-pound value, not guesswork. Fully lower and recheck pressure, then stow tools and any used sealant. Make sure to recheck tire pressure after 5 to 10 minutes and again after a short test drive. If the sealant fails, you see continuous loss, or the sidewall is damaged, stop and use the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.